The Imperial Waltz. We start this dance in open position, left foot for the man, right foot for the lady, third position front. And we're going to start with a solo outward progressive waltz, a rotary waltz into a step and point, and progressive half, rotary half, and step and point. Now we're going to do exactly the same movements, only this time starting on the right foot for the man, left foot for the lady, turning inwards, and progressive half of the waltz, the rotary half, and step and point. Just show you those 8 bars again put together. And progressive half of the waltz, rotary, step and point. And the progressive half, rotary half, step and point. Right, starting from bar 9, we're going to go do a pas de valse forward with a balancé into a rearward rotary inward turn with a pas glissé against line of dance. We start with a pas de valse forward and 1, 2, 3 and a balancé, the rearward rotary turn with the pas glissé against line of dance, and you take up waltz hold, and we complete the sequence with 4 bars of waltzing. Opening out to start the new sequence. Right, we just show you those whole 16 bars put together now. And solo, outward progressive, and the rotary, and the step and point. Now the inward progressive waltz, the rotary, and step and point. Pas de valse forward with a balancé, rearward rotary turn, into a pas glissé against line of dance, take up waltz hold, and we do 4 bars of waltzing, opening out to start the next sequence. I would just show you that now done to music.